The iguana on the rock. Here comes Auntie, circling the iguana. She's closing in. She's coming near the iguana.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.